Hi, how you going? So this is the table here. So it's a schedule for people to plan out their content for their business. Um, the main things that we have here is the status column, which I'll talk about in a moment. We've got days and weeks here, and these two will, through all the coding that we have, which I'll show you in a moment, uh, determine this date here. So they're the main kind of active things. The rest of these are kind of just things that you fill in. So the status column here, you can see if the date is in the past and it hasn't been posted, it will be a cross. And if it has been posted, it will be a check. If it is one of these like dividers for each of these weeks, it will be showing this line here. If the content is today, it will be green. And if it's in the future, it will be white. So I'm wanting to change the symbols of these a little bit to add a little bit more functionality. So I've put them in here. So task one is the status column symbols. So we still have the cross and the check. This one is today and progress is not done or scheduled. So the progress column is here. So this will be impacting the status as well. Then we've got the other ones here. I've written them all out here. If you're confused with any of these, just let me know and I can explain them further. So that's the first task is just updating this formula here. As I said, there's a lot of formulas running what's determining what this date is and everything. You probably shouldn't have to touch them for task one at least. But if you do want to see them, this view here, all columns, you can go in here and I've got them all showing here with all the calculations and everything. So that's for task one. Now, task two is a little bit more complicated. So task two, as you can see here, we have these weekly dividers for each of the weeks here. If I delete this week symbol here, there will be no problem in the View All tab. The way that the formulas are working and the sorting is working, these will all stay in the exact right order that they're meant to be. So that's all correct right now. What I'm needing to do though is, let me just put these back. What I'm needing to do is these three views here are the ones that we need to look at. So if you look at, for example, this week, you can see we're in week two. It's week two Sunday right now. So it's showing all of week two and it's showing the status column here. If we go to next week, it'll of course be week three with the first status column here. And upcoming, it shows any content that's not in the past. And it also has the statuses in the right place here. So the thing that I'm wanting to do is to have it, because it's functioning exactly how it should right now. Everything is perfect for task two. The only thing I'm looking to do is not have to type week two in or week three or whatever for each of the status columns here. So as I said, in the view all, if I remove, say, week two here for this status, everything works perfect. If I go to this week now, you'll see that it doesn't show the status column anymore. And if I go to upcoming, week two status column won't show. So again, if I remove three now, then it will remove it. So what I'm wanting to do with task two is make it work how it is right now, but like this, where I don't need to mark the week. I want that to be empty. So yeah, I've got all these columns here, as I said. So you can look at these in the all columns view here. Please do not change any of these formulas or any of these columns in here. These are all working perfectly. I can't have any of them changed. But you should be able to use these to create any changes you need for the status column to work properly. So yeah, let me know if you've got any questions. Yeah, I'm happy to work with you with anything you need.